It's a bit windy today, so sorry about the noise probably on the microphone. But anyway, Roy and I put tar paper on this. We added wood down below to even out the siding, and I see he's got his first sheet up, and as he knows, it's probably wrong, but at the moment we don't give a bleep.
Perfect.
I had to go to a doctor's appointment this late afternoon. Roy is about beat because the sun's beating on him right now, but we're going to get back at it after we take a quick break and get this thing sided on this side here. Can't wait because oh my, it looks so awful, but just with the felt paper up, it looks so much better. To show you, there is a upside down and a right side up on these boards. You'll look, you see this grain look to it right here, and then up here it's really tight. This is their decorative part, this part here, so that's why you want it to be pointing down so people can see it. There's also a board. They don't throw too many of them in here. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see. This is kind of an example. You'll see the whole board is nothing but the tight stuff. They throw one of them in every once in a while, which is no big deal, because it is a fake wood look to it. So that one doesn't make any difference. These, you want the wider grain pointing down so people can see it. Not that people look that close, but still, it does make it look better.